Good moment, everyone. This is Blessing Able Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to use your smartphone to build birthday flyer. Okay, let's just open our Pixellab. Okay, we have to start a new project straight away. Okay, let me just delete the project. Okay, then the next thing is that I have to resize the work here. Okay, then come to image resize. Uh, the first one I will leave the first one at 1280, but the second one I will make it 1680. Okay, this is my working space, and the next thing I have to do is to generate my background. I come to this plus this color here, this first choose here, and I will click on this gradient. After I click on the gradients, I will click on the plus. Okay, you can see up here, this is the where you will transform your background. This is the where you will structure the background. Okay, now we are using this structure for our background making. Okay, this first this side, click on it and come to this color fill. Okay, and come and pick something like this. Okay, and this second one here, click on it and click the fill color here, and we are still picking something like this but more darker than the first one. Okay, I think we still need to readjust it like this, or this one needs to make it more darker a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this, or no, let's try to treat that color very well. More, I take this one up, and this one I click on it, I make it more darker. I think I like it like this. I like it like this. I like it like this. Okay, okay. Oh, you can see how I made it now. Okay, you can see how it is now. It is perfect like this. Okay, this is what I want to use. And the next thing now is that I will go and take one icon here to stretch my background more. Okay, okay, okay. This light, you can see this light. I will place it over here, and I will come to color filter under this dot icon. Then I'll click on this saturation, reduce the saturation, brightness, and I need contrast. I think is sent the message I want now. Okay, you can see how we generate something like this. And the next thing is that we are taking our image in now. I click on the plus from gallery, and let me locate. Okay, the first images we are using this one. Come measure you to this, and we are placing it over here. We are placing it over here, and we are still taking another one. Okay, let's take this one. But this one I have to change it like this and place it over here. I place it over here. Then I crop it. Then this one, I'm taking this one up. This one is behind. Okay. Now I need flower to place it on top of these images. But before then, let me just do something like this. Come to okay. Let's come to eraser and increase this one a little bit, this one a little bit, this one full. And I'm going to transparent the hand and other parts like this. Okay, you can see how this one it is. Then likewise I'm doing for this one. Almost full and this one full. Increase this and see how I made it this one too. Okay, let's see. Oh, you can see this one as well. Okay, let's take flower image now. Okay, let's look for it. Okay, this is the first one we are using. Okay, you have to press it to fire. And let's take another image now. Okay, I'm taking this. Taking this. Then I'm pressing it to fire here. Fire here. Then I still need to let me try if it's going to work. Let me place this one also. Or maybe let's delete this one. Let's place this one. Okay, this is it. This is it. And the next thing is that we are going to place the text and we are going to arrange the other things. Now, the first thing I have to do is to write the name. Okay, let's just be typing some things. Okay, I want to put something here. Okay, let me put plus one. Plus one, and I need something like this. Okay, let me use master boot, and we are using darker color for this. Let me use something like this, and I have to space it up. Okay, it's okay like this, and copy, place it here. Okay, now we are putting date here. It's the 11th March. Still placing it here. Also, I want to arrange these things more like this, and I need these shapes to be used over here. Okay, then I will change the color. To change color to something like this, but let me make it more lighter, and I will transparent it. I duplicate it now by copy. Also something like this color. Okay. All right. Let me just place this thing to make these things more. Let's make it like this. Okay, happy birthday. I place happy birthday here, and I'm still using the same font. Still using this font, and let's place it down. I will still put another. Copy this one, place it for here. I double tap. Then the name of the celebrate. This is the name of the celebrant, and I can use these lines to perfect my work. I don't want everything to be on this. Okay, let's position it for like this. It's okay like this, and okay, this one I want to use it here. I copy this name. Oh, sorry. Copy this name. I increase it. Then I copy it again like this. This one I have to make it capital letter like this. Okay, this one I will delete. I'll put the frame here. Also, let me delete this one. Let me copy this. Then I will increase it like this. Then I will find something styling. Any font that is styling. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me use this umbrella market, and you can see this. Then I'll have to send this back. I have to send this to the back, and I will transparency it like this. Then change the color, something like this, but I will light it more lighter. It won't be as good like this, but let me increase this one like this. Increase it like this. Then color filter. Is it here? Is it here? No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. This one is okay like this, but this one I will make it everything capital letter, everything uppercase. Then I have to increase it like this. Then I will place it here. I will place it here and change the color. Let me use this color. Okay, let me use this, but like this, something like this. Okay. Okay. And how to type something here. faithful, grace, um, blessing, joy. Okay, I think yes, it's looking perfect, but if possible, I get one more flower. Okay, let me use this flower. I'm placing it here, but how to take it back? Yeah, I think I like it like this. And whatever you still want to put down here, you can still place it. You can still place them there. You can see this is our work. That is our work, but you can still take it to another editing picture to make it more sharper than this. And if you want to put another things, you can do so. This is already good in placement. Thanks for watching this. Okay, then let me try if I can import something here. Okay, I place this one here, and I still want to put something up. Let me plus the I just put my greeting name here. Okay, let me just take this one in now. This one, just increase it like this and change the colors to something like this. So you achieve that, take it to the back. You can take this to the back like this and come to opacity, just opacity the thing like this to make it little noise. And see this is our work. This is our work. Thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe for my YouTube channel. Okay, see you in next video.